Hi, good morning! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my vlog, Papang's Lechon. So guys, makikita niyo guys ang Papang's Lechon sa from Carles, Iloilo City. May inasal sila guys, tag 70 pieces only. So guys, marami kayong mapipilian dito guys. At may limpo pa sila guys. Limpo, barbecue limpo, nasugba-sugba guys. At may kasama pang sausawan guys ng lutong Pinoy. Ito guys, ang lutong Pinoy guys, liog ng Papang's Lechon at fried pig, 45 pieces only. So guys, makikita mo ang limpo guys, crispy limpo. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Bibili na kayo guys sa Papang's Lechon guys, at may lechon manok pa guys, 250 pieces only. Luto ng kahoy guys, uling guys, luto ng uling guys. Shout out lang gali sa boss na mo na si Boss Donald at saka pamilya naman nila guys.